Kimda mo sa sangan ko. Lebon ni
Totoo na yung karay manggosa. Sarang ka na bodong ko ni tayo? No. Imbulang ko na boda kay Canada, kay America, ko na US tungkol to the US Customs. No, sar cuma ko so pampulam din. Imbulong ko ra, then inventory itu Yes. What does it mean there? Lexus only. On the right hand side.
Well, they pay like a yearly fee,
Oh.
and they don't. They just get checked randomly. But they have to have They have a card, but they have a list of names that can travel in the vehicle with you. So only people in that vehicle
on the list.
allowed to use that lane. You can usually just tap your card and just drive through without them checking, right? Yeah. But they pay a yearly fee or something, I think. Yeah.
Sanjina.
Congo, I think when you applied for it, you Shanghai the interview.
Oh, I see.
Background check and
Wow.
it's worth it if you go across all the time.
All the time.
Because a lot of people live in just over here, like in Bellingham or Bridge Bay, and they work here in Surrey, somewhere close to the border, right? So they travel back and forth all the time. A lot of Canadians marry the Americans, right? And so they have homes on both sides. It's easy for them.
Right. Sandin. Because you asked the question about the visa. Well, that was you,
My sister.
Oh, your sister.
I heard her voice. I said, I said, thinking to myself, who gave her the microphone?
looks like you.
Iya, ketemu mo ba ko? Pero ko sounds familiar.
Orang tidak bakal tahu ya.
Robi korban cuma.
Korban juga.
Oh, turang ni.
Orang ini mama na.
Oh,
Orang malam.
Sandin.
And two of the girls were dancing today. Actually, all the girls are loud.
Sarota, it's so beautiful.
First generation Canadian Fiji.
Yeah. Those are the ones I want to learn, right?
Di Nasar. Absolut. Dari bina kasaranga.
It's so funny.
Kado okay wale nito.
Ora na mga yiga.
And then one of the other ones, her parents are from the other church that was there today. The other college that was there.
Iya.
She's the one that sang the anthem.
Oh.
Sandin. Dutala tikir mo kan melo mo na menu ya. Rasa tahu leo na menu. Nirala ko may bangko sa sakatalan.
What's your place of residency right now?
Los Angeles.
Because they'll ask, right?
Yeah. So we've got our residency card here. Yeah.
We got our passport too. You care when we go like this across the border, we use the safest passport in New Zealand.